Hey everybody, it's a budget analyst here, giving you guys a quick tutorial how to install the open source spreadsheet application Gnumeric. If you go to the gnumeric.org page and you go to download Gnumeric, what it's going to tell you is to download it via the preferred installer for your distribution. I currently am on Ubuntu, but this applies to other distributions that have a software center. So if you go to the Ubuntu software center and you search Gnumeric, it should pop up, and then you can press install. You can see it's a fairly fast install. After install, you can press launch, and boom, it pops up. So pretty like it's a pretty lightweight spreadsheet application. You can run on things like the Raspberry Pi, and it doesn't require too much time to download. So that's one way to download it, via the software center. Now I'm going to show you how to download it via the command line. Well, that's getting deleted. I'm going to pull up my command line here, and all I'm going to type in is sudo apt install Gnumeric. It's going to prompt you for your password. Then it's going to say yes or no to installing the megabytes to the disk. Type Y for yes. After that, it should show up as installed, and you can open it up again. Alrighty guys, so that was a quick tutorial in how you install Gnumeric. On the next video, we'll go over some basic table setup and some formatting.